intelligence in machines that are programmed to think and learn like humans. AI allows computers and machines to perform tasks that typically require human intelligence, such as visual perception, speech recognition, decision-making, language translation, and problem-solving. There are various subfields and approaches to AI, including machine learning, a subset of AI that focuses on enabling machines to learn from data without explicit programming. It includes techniques such as supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. Deep learning, a specialized form of machine learning that involves artificial neural networks with multiple layers, deep neural networks. Deep learning has been highly successful in areas like image and speech recognition. Natural language processing, NLP, an area of AI that deals with the interaction between computers and human language. NLP enables machines to understand, interpret, and generate human language. Computer vision, the field of AI that allows machines to interpret and understand visual information from the world, such as images and videos. Robotics. AI is often integrated into robotics to enable machines to perform tasks autonomously or semi-autonomously. Expert systems. These are AI systems that mimic the decision-making abilities of a human expert in a specific domain. AI ethics. The study of ethical concerns surrounding the development and use of AI, such as privacy, bias, transparency, and the impact on employment. AI applications are prevalent across various industries, including healthcare, finance, transportation, entertainment, customer service, and more. Some common examples of AI in daily life include virtual assistants, e.g., Siri, Alexa, recommendation systems, e.g., Netflix, Spotify, and autonomous vehicles. However, AI also brings about challenges and concerns, such as job displacement due to automation, potential bias in AI algorithms, and ethical dilemmas related to AI decision-making. As of my last update in September 2021, AI research and development were still rapidly evolving, and new breakthroughs were being made regularly. To get the most current information, I recommend checking reputable sources and news outlets in the AI field. Thanks for watching. Stay with us for more videos.